I picked up this lovely mint plant in pot here in Rome, in Italy. It was labeled menta romana and in Latin menta pulegium. But pay attention, this isn't the normal mint that you may expect. Most of the time, menta romana is just spearmint, the friendly culinary mint you'd want for tea, sauces, and a proper mojito. But a handful of plants get sold under that exact same name. But attention, this variety is one that you really shouldn't eat. Same general label, but a very different plant. You can read all about it in an article I have written about it. So how do I tell all the mints apart for certain? The trick is to let it flower. The type of flower will allow you to distinguish the mint plant species. I will take some cuttings in the coming days, and until this one flowers, I'm enjoying it as a plant, but not in the kitchen. Better safe than sorry.